For this project, you're going to need anything that's 12 by 12 square. I'm going to be using this canvas, and I picked up this adhesive wall stencil at the Dollar Tree, and it looks like the subway tiles in a bathroom or in a kitchen. It has an adhesive on the back, and I just stuck it to the canvas board. It was quite sticky. I didn't need any additional glue. I found this Farmhouse at Michael's. It's a mesh stencil. It says Farmhouse. It has the animals. It has a little greenery. And these are mesh. And I first was going to put it on in one block, the Farmhouse, and then I decided to cut it into 2 words because of the grooves in the tile. It would have been easier dealing with a smaller stencil at a time. So when I laid down the farm, when you get to the grooves, you just want to lift and make sure that it rolls into the groove and then out. You don't want it to hover across the groove. You want it to actually lay in the groove. I hope that's making sense. And I'm going to do the same thing with the word house. And then I just want to rub my fingers across all the letters and make sure it's making contact with my project. I'm going to be using a Maker Studio black ink and a rubber spreader. And I'm going to hit every part of the stencil, and I'm going to kind of avoid those dips for this moment. I don't want to go in with a big glob of ink. I want to almost wait till I'm at the end when I don't have as much ink on my spreader, and then I will gently go in those grooves and fill in that area. I take a little razor blade to help me lift these up and peel them back. I was very happy with the results on both of the stencils. It's kind of a distressed stencil, which was nice. Gave it a little character. And then I'm going to put the cow and the larger tile at the bottom. I'm going to do each of the animals on their own. I'm going to put the pig to the right side. Put the chicken on the last end side. And then I just wanted to start pulling this all together. I grabbed this greenery that I had. It's the boxwood. Many times you can find this right at Walmart. I'm going to take my Bosch stapler. At the top of that canvas, it is wood, so I just stapled into that to hold my greenery. And then I'm just going to take this little black and white checkered, actually it was left over for Christmas bow, and I'm just going to glue it in the center of my greenery. And I think this came out really super cute. It was inexpensive and fun. I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencil, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much.